I'll be showing you 6 hacks that will improve your video making skills in just under 3 minutes. Trust me, your future self is gonna be much happier while editing if you plan your videos out in advance. No matter what camera or gear you use, bad lighting is going to kill the video. So I suggest you use natural light as it is soft, diffused and free. Now you can see what kind of difference sound effects make in your video. To do this, set your camera to 120 frames per second and you'll have this super steady and cinematic looking shot. This might look a little awkward, but meh, results matter the most. This one's called the whip pan transition and you do it something like this. Now moving on to the 6th one, and which really makes the video, is editing to the beat of the music. You can replay these shots shown on screen to really see what kind of an impact they had when they were synced with the music. But wait, I have a bonus hack for you guys, and that is if this video helped you in any way, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel with post notifications so you are the first one to watch my upcoming videos.